All right, it's Suzuki time. It's your friendly neighborhood Suzuki Samurai here. We've got a 2-liter naturally aspirated Suzuki SX4 with a CVT transmission. It's on Bridgestone winters, which I can't say are my favorite. I've had much better results with Nokians. This one, however, is a sedan, not a hatchback. I'm not sure which range of years they made the sedan model for. I know it was available as a Suzuki SX4 Sport trim, which had some upgraded features, mainly interior. We got a tan interior on this one. So no features, buttons on the steering wheel. We got no heated seats, no traction control. We've got a CVT with sport shift, front wheel drive. We have no paddle shifters on the steering wheel. I do like the interior color. It's gonna get a good clean. And then we'll see about doing some restoration. We do have some issues with the rear fender wells. I've just thrown some primer on it for now, but I'll do some videos on the repairs I eventually do. Check out this weather, that's just crazy. I gotta get going before I'm buried.